This little guy's been out for over a year now, and since then we've seen a whole new wave of drones hit the market. But is the Mini 4 Pro still worth the price tag? Welcome to the Drone Sales UK channel, I'm Josh, and today we're kicking off with the Mini 4 Pro series. Released in late September 2023, the Mini 4 Pro quickly became DJI's flagship in the Mini series. But even though a lot of new drones have popped up since then, the Mini 4 Pro still stands as the latest and the greatest of the Mini bunch. One of the standout characteristics of this drone is that it's super light. At under 250 grams, it makes this drone a total game changer. Being so light makes it super agile and easy to fly just about anywhere. And the best part, all you need to do to fly the drone if someone else owns it is to have a flyer ID, which you can obtain by passing a quick multiple choice test. It's valid for 5 years and it makes things super easy for those recreational pilots. Now if you're to own the drone, you need to register with the CEA for an operator ID, which costs £11.13 and needs to be renewed yearly. This makes it easy for those pilots that want to get out quick and fly quick, as if you were to own a drone over 250 grams, you'd need an A2 of C certificate, and anything over 2 kilograms to 25 kilograms, you're looking at needing a GVC certificate. These courses are essential to be able to fly drones legally, and the bigger courses cost a lot more money and are more involved. So being under 250 grams is definitely a win for anyone that's new to the drone game. Inside the box of the base version, you've got the star of the show, the Mini 4 Pro drone, some spare propellers, a USB-C charging and RC cables for both Android and iOS devices, a screwdriver for quick prop swaps, a sleek RCN2 controller, and quick start guides to get you up in the air fast. But is the Mini 4 Pro still worth it with new competitors like the DJI Neo and DJI Flip hitting the market? Well, one of the best new features of the Mini 4 Pro is its 360 obstacle avoidance. With sensors all around the drone, it makes it able to avoid obstacles with ease. Something you won't be able to find with many other drones at this price point. And when you combine that with the Mini 4 Pro's active tracking, capturing smooth cinematic shots of you or anyone else is as easy as pressing a button, making it perfect for those solo filmmakers or creators looking for that level up of versatility and portability. The Mini 4 Pro also supports true vertical 4K. Now, a lot of other drones like the DJI Flip can shoot 4K video, but it has to crop in on the original 4K image, which means you're losing resolution down to about 2.7K. This is fine for social media, but you're not getting that true 4K quality. But with the Mini 4 Pro, you don't lose any quality. You're getting 4K whether you're shooting horizontal or vertical, which means you can create stunning resolution images on any platform you're creating for. Now here's the thing, while the Mini 4 Pro is packed with features, its price tag may be a deal breaker for some. At a base cost of £689, with the Fly More bundle pushing it closer to that £1,000 mark, it's definitely on the pricier side. But with other models like last year's series Mini 3 Pro you can grab for just £460. But if you're looking to save even more money, the DJI Neo comes in at a more affordable £279, where controllers are included in all 3 of them. But the question you're all asking is, does the Mini 4 Pro offer enough extra value to combat that price tag, or are the other options more affordable? In my opinion, I think the Mini 4 Pro is the best option that you can get out there right now for a small, lightweight, form factor drone. Whether you're a content creator that needs that extra portability and versatility, or you're that beginner that's just started out flying a drone and you just want to get into the game, the Mini 4 Pro is probably your best bet. The Mini 4 Pro has better AI capabilities such as its active track and its obstacle avoidance, so if you're a solo creator or you want to film with yourself, then the Mini 4 Pro comes in so handy for those type of situations. So whether you're a pro looking for your flexibility or you're just starting out as a beginner, the Mini 4 Pro is perfect for any situation you can throw at it. If you enjoyed this video, then feel free to leave a like and leave a comment down below of your favourite drone in 2025 so far. Links to get the Mini 4 Pro, Operator ID and Flyer ID will be down below in the description, and any other drone that I've mentioned in this video. If you're enjoying the content, then feel free to subscribe as well, as there will be more videos like this coming up on this page soon. But from myself and the drone sales team, I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you in the next one.